Hello, my name is Peschl. For the last 10 years, I have had the privilege to run a company specializing in the sale, restoration and maintenance of classic Maserati GTs. My team focuses on cars which left the factory from Modena between 1958 and 1978. We have learned that there are three things which are paramount for rebuilding a perfect Maserati engine. First, excellent, high-quality parts built to LP specification. Parts which we have developed over many years and which so far are exclusively available for engines rebuilt in my company. Secondly, an in-depth experience, and thirdly, precise measuring and monitoring throughout the assembly process. All this I want to show you in this video. First, the assembly at our workshop, then the running in process, and at last, the cars on the open road. Enjoy it. Our aim is to ensure perfect lubrication and oil pressure at each main and crank channel. In order to accomplish this target, the inner diameter at each bearing cap, the outer diameter of the ground crankshaft, as well as the thickness of each big end bearing are measured. Then the bearing caps are machined off and matched with the right big end bearing to achieve exactly the clearance documented in the original Maserati engine manuals. Parts of the highest quality standard are paramount for building a perfect engine. LP Classic Sports Cars employs engine parts which have been rebuilt the first time worldwide and are only available at LP. For example, timing gears and timing chain sprockets, distributor drive gear and drive shafts, or new rebuilt oil pumps for the primary oil supply. Furthermore, all Maserati engines built in our company carry top quality in- and outlet valves from a top-class German supplier, as well as cylinder liners and tailor-made pistons from Mahle. The same goes for all gaskets, such as head gasket, cam cap gaskets, or all oil supply gaskets. All these designs were further developed and improved to our specification. Before installation, every unit is tested and measurements of oil pressure, compression ratio and blow-by pressure are carried out. Our objective is to create an engine which at idle runs absolutely without vibrations and with a deep and pleasant growl, turning at higher revs into an aggressive and powerful sound blend of a turbine and a true race engine.